Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a fridge clean out and organization. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of the house plants that I have. We're leaving to go on vacation on Monday, September the 2nd. So I want to make sure that my fridge is completely cleaned out so I don't have any nasty food in there. The doors, if you'll notice, I did not clean any of the side doors, but it's not been that long since I cleaned those. So everything in those should be good. I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. Have a good day. Now comes everyone's favorite part, washing dishes. Now I'm just going to show you guys what I do with my indoor plants. I go around and I gather them all up and I just sit them at my kitchen sink, so it makes it easier just to do it all in one place. I take a mixture of essential oils and water and I spray it on their leaves and then I wipe them off. And that just helps get all the dust and the like yuck off of them. And then I take my thieves cleaner and I spray the soil with it because that helps like keep the growth of bacteria down. Then what I water them with is I keep empty Nixia bottles, like especially after we've drunk it all, and it still has a little bit of the Nixia in it, and I fill it up with water, and then I water my plants with that, and they really like it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this fridge clean out and how I do my indoor plants. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.